How to fix VMware Workstation Unrecoverable Error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix VMware Workstation's Unrecoverable Error. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is open up your VMware. So after you open up your VMware Workstation, the error occurs whenever you try to open up any OS that you've downloaded. So let's say I want to open this OS. Whenever I power it on, it gives me the error. So what we do here is after you open your VM Workstation, select your VM whichever is giving you the trouble and select Edit Virtual Machine. So select Edit Virtual Machine, and after you select that, it might take some time until this comes up. And after this does come up, head over to Display. Under Display, you will see an option that says 3D Graphics. So make sure that you unselect Accelerate 3D Graphics, and after you do that, tap on OK. Doing that will fix the issue, guys. Now, since I don't have the issue, I'll keep this on, but you make sure that you turn it off and then tap on OK. Then you can restart your VMware and you should be good to go. And that's how you fix the issue, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.